Ya very now do so boy on now. My people, I agree to na well. Wabi do level wabi nege high. Wabi nege se. Ye do ya fefe kino se kino rame. Go to waya fefe. Kini mariri aje wana odeno. Ebi na gmo ama ma ya gbe o. Ebi na gmo ama wa gbe. Imo wano ho imanerun o. Nimo wano ma inerun gie o enerun o wa ama wa gmo wa ya ato. Agbon ama wa. Now I wena oh wo na wo pretty Frederica na wo ona wo Jessica wo ona wo DJ Instance na wo ona wo erame enoge one of German wo na wo eya wa po with social media wo na so okay my brother wo ona wo enough pana wo Frederica wo a DJ instance for instance DJ for instance wo yana wo eya wakpo ayidederi mi na o me serve of social media ayidederi mi we ireva vosunu the social media ayidederi mi we no sunu na hin the social media yana wo ona we iya ka mama we go we nu we rita wo rivo if you na wo enogi na we mama boy wo agwa mi ebo nu we ne no wo nu we rita vo ugwo ahụ we enogi wo if you wo amagi mi ogwe nu we rita we rivo. He can't say, he say, the cantor say this one can't say, that one can't tell and say, he say, this one can't say. Which one you can't say? Then they worry to say, this one can't say, he can't say, the other one say, then worry say. So my people, sometimes we must try to do something. Where is Katia, my daughter? Katia. I think I have to look for Katia now. Okay. I do not understand me. He can't say, or what can't say, that woman can't say, the woman can't say, this person can't say. Good evening, Johnson Purity. Which one you can't say for inside? Good evening, Evely Agbogun. That is my lovely daughter. He can't say, which one you can't say for inside? social media mona stop to dey put life for person head. Sonia my baby, how are you? I miss you too, Sonia. That is my lovely daughter. So sometimes una go still dey use brain take dey put life for person head for this social media sometimes. E no just compulsory say every time always una just dey like to dey say una just dey frame wetin person no do or wetin no happen or wetin sup, una just dey frame am. Una go hear say see wetin happen, una come change am. E say e come say, and if that time if you wan come say you go come build something well, you come rhyme am. It is good sometimes to say the truth. Joyce Maya, good evening. You are welcome. Good evening, Joyce. Joyce Maya. Sometimes we need to say the truth so that the truth shall set us free. Like I was seeing something on social media, I think yesterday, day before yesterday, that a lady went to fight a side chick. A lady went to fight a side chick that she was fighting the lady that she wanted the lady to leave her husband alone. Then many people come out on social media that they start ranting their mouth. They use their mouth, they talk nonsense. They talk wetin they're not supposed to talk. They use their mouth, they talk stupidity. They use their mouth, they talk stupidity. Say, side chick, so side chick not good. Na so side chick spoil this one. Na so do this one, na so do that one. Did side chick come to toast your husband? If we are to judge the matter, we will not judge the side chick. And no chick is side. Women is women. Woman is woman. An old woman is a side. I'm a side chick. Wa auto bu wa do ayu nu wa dollar yiwe a side chick na hin o me side chick we dia o mo wo wa o. As soon as we a girl ni o ma na gbon gi no a side chick ro. Good evening. He must say Chris, my mommy yo. A side, no side chick. Where is a side chick? No. Because the side chick imado toast awa. E mata magi wata wa bene di mata wa go enya girl ni okpa hun. And that girl is a brilliant girl. O ma be go the woman be go, ma be wo emi ro pa na wa ko gbira. Ona pa. Ona ko wa kin yoga ona wa avoid the gbina ni ona ko pa. Oga e guess is on the geleski no. Ya no we will are was iga ro wa when ya. You understand? They come frame as without wa social media, one to frame matter, na come frame that word, na come frame and na come change, come turn, come put you joiner. Oh yeah, begin blow. They talk about side chick. All of una they wire of your side chick. All of una they cause different individual. You're just surprised how who you call side chick you come become house cheap. Well, my agbon side chick na do house cheap. I will side chick, now a side chick. From side chick, you can't turn to house chick. The value we're not doing, we know women is side. If we run on a side, no a side. Christy Omoza is a good evening. If you want to quarrel in that kind of situation, if you want quarrel for that kind of situation, for example, if that kind of say maybe that kind of really happen, you quarrel with the man. You deal with the man. Quarrel with your husband. Fight with your husband. If you see chance, kill him. Now your husband. Fine. It is better than you go and be fighting the woman your husband is deceiving outside. After your husband have denied you and tell another woman outside that he did not have a wife at home, that one don't agree, then you want to go fight him. It makes you an ignorant. Who is this person? Don't call me when I'm busy. I do not understand me. After your woman don't go deceive, after your man don't go deceive woman for outside, when I come dey call that one say she wait don't go tell that one say no get wife for house. Say I no get wife for house, mo leave that thing. This and that, this and that, this and this. I don see man wey pretend follow woman for good 6 years. He pretend follow am for good 6 years. He pretend follow am say he no get wife for house, and wife just dey born for am for house. Okpokpo abiele na ebuwa. Ona pretend nwunye ma ebie. Ona gba amu again, ona gba amu eba. Agi wana ti esa shik. Ema tagi wata be social media no wa ya buzz wa gwo. Now come out for social media. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. May I subscribe for the lie where you want to talk, for the nonsense where you want to talk for social media. Everybody don't turn to presenter finish. Nowhere atiwa ami, nowhere atiwa amwe phone we contract will be voda. Oh yeah, ogwa de dagbe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the lie where you want to talk, for the nonsense where you want to talk, for things where not make brain where you want to talk. Na so some wey Monica no even know say go your come out. Monica na big fool. See wetin Monica come dey talk. Oya gwale viewers. Who send you? Who's my you? People wey no reach to curse person come begin dey insult person. See one agbaya woman just still fall out that day. Na think yesterday be the first day. Na that one sef still come and na yesterday dey first day. Every honey now you still know that one o. Only that one will Diana. Na baby name Africa. Na me be this one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to talk about this one. Eme ya no ta no gbabu nuro. Emi ya fefe no ta ropa no de yoro. Ni mado subscribe ye nonsense iwe. Mo can subscribe to your nonsense wey you want to tell us for social media. Where there is nothing you want to tell us. If you don't have anything to say, you want us to subscribe for you, mwefo dagbue, ragbe wowa. Afierike be atwork, be twerking. Why twerk? When you twerk, we will subscribe for you. We know that yes, this is your destiny. You now see all these people where they do social media, so not be all of them have destiny to do these things. Why I talk am? I don't read all of their destiny, what they're supposed to be before. Now maybe the man will not the fear. Eddie Murphy is supposed to do native daughter for Nigeria. Murphy first go they do a wise they follow am. Now me talking, man will not the fear. You understand? If you're supposed to dey 300 level for university now, go still dey there. By now, I go maybe now go dey finish in NYC. Yes. This man wey dey for wetin dem dey call am France, abi where he dey. That one now is supposed to dey buy rubber. Dey follow different village dey go. Monica supposed to dey sell tomatoes for a kiosk now. Na their future work be that, their destiny. Lolo wey dey supposed to dey learn tailor. By this time, na go get im own shop. That one go be tailor. That is their destiny. Many of them. Eranomigo supposed to be a chairman in one community that go dey sell land. It's better than you come to social media to tell us lies. It's better than you come to social media to tell us what does not make sense. They go here, they use and they shout, subscribe, press like my video, like my comment, subscribe. I should subscribe for your nonsense. Me, I subscribe for the nonsense wey you wan come tell me. Me, I subscribe for the lie wey you wan come talk. When una see truth, una go bend and una turn her to lie. If, for example, this something really happen that woman went to go and fight her husband side chick, una just come out, una begin dey laugh. Una just come out, una just begin dey laugh, una dey laugh una dey make jest of the woman, dey fall the girl hand say na the girl not supposed to defriend the man wey first get wife. You will come out for social media come talk, you know the one wey your husband dey do for outside. Me as me just be so na me supposed to be lecturer now. I dey teach vocabulary. You know as normally speak vocabulary, I supposed to be a lecturer now. Now me supposed to be the next governor of Edo State now. Now my future be that, and I will become a governor. I will become a governor. That time I will. This man wey dey call God Defeyi wey no be God Defeyi Batiyi. This Benin man wey dey Spain. That one I go dey work for that one. That one supposed to be a kidnapper in Nigeria. That one supposed to be kidnapper, not be live video presenter. Adeboye go be our native doctor wey go dey work for us. I will become the governor. Then that one will become the kidnapper who want to campaign with me. The person who want to contest with me. Now our future is supposed to be that. Like me. So, as we are community talking, men, after they don't go deceive those girls, don't deceive them, finish, don't they take them, their wife go come hear all those things for house. They don't come begin come the shout. Now so there be shashik. Now so the girl shashik. Now so this one be shashik. Now so there is no shashik. There is no shashik. Sometimes it will be an imagination when side chick become a housewife. Una never see that kind of thing. Unexpectedly, side chick will become housewife. If you want to quarrel with whoever you want to quarrel with in your home, quarrel with your husband. Now your husband I find trouble. If your husband no go deceive the girl no go follow am. If the girl even know say get wife for us, the girl no go follow am. So if you see your husband, kill am. Gbelua, if you feel kill am. Tackle your husband, fight with your husband. Not be the girl you will go fight. Why must you go and fight your fellow woman because of what? No, you can't fight woman. Take. Plug that phone. Plug the phone. Tweeted. Alpha. Do your lay first. First day first. Make your first day. Your post will snap picture. See this one. Hey, whoa. So now understand. I be like say sweat dey here o. Iye. Ti agbegbe mo aba mere o re ma. Who does that? O come. Ebio esi egbe ya nyome. Ba mere o re ma. Then Mona, you're the listening to me as we are community talking. Sorry, as we were community saying. As we are committee. Commission, transmission, transformer. I better join. Mona, take on the one at this here. Odogu. Who are you supposed to fight with? You are supposed to go and fight with your husband. If you get up, tie am for inside house. Not the girl, because the girl suffer dey waka in you. You hear wetin Lizzy talk now? Lizzy, yeah. And me ma understand akarame na kina be akarame. Akaru well Lizzy. You hear wetin Lizzy talk? So if you not pin down now, they will come tagging your sister the way they come tagging you the way they tagging your sister now. Not pin down, yeah. They will go. To your eye. Huh? Papa go stubborn, pikin go see stubborn. Who wan call stubborn for each other? Who cool down? Na maybe odogun akataka. So as we are talking, as we are come dey talk just now, as we come dey say, then ihe avala oge na egbe ihe hisu avala nini ni a awe ge ni give no ni magba aita mu we wave no ni magba don't no time we very only wave no magba ki ka mu we ni wave no magba a ogugbe nu bi aka wo wave no magba we magbo ni gun we pa bo goro ya zugu we pa we gboro ya zugu vogo we pa sa ogugbe ni we ya lele esachi kigmina esachi kinu we ya gugbina na God will never forgive you because your husband deceive her. Because when he knows say yes, you get a husband. The man get wife. He must surely say, I don't want again. Go meet your wife. I don't want me your wife come kill me. I don't know say you get wife. I beg, suffer go meet your wife. Now there you come to see where the man go dey talk different lie. Honey, that one. Now person who know that one. I beg you. Because he no forget that thing. Who know that one? That one a person. I'm not money here. Who beef still? Self. All those kind many talk. You that thing call they talk like. Now you are love. Me and I know your deal. Your body come aside. All those kind many things. Imose River. Imose. Come talk to your daughter. Obi maybe I will maybe now. I will say I dey fear I be man wey dey fear. I go for fear and me go wey dey Germany. He say sorry wey dey America. Roda awe and me go wo so we obe ran so we. Imaye mo ha ma hu we. Wa anyanya omu me ne ru we. Odogu. Area agile ka work my bi oyewu. Very soon I go shout now. You say go shout because we are lion and lioness. Now, as we come to saying, then waga wana dia social media vi woni waga tai waga nia ya silo la dia waga nia waga tai the girl not do well the girl fuck up una know the one wey una husband dey do una know whether una husband don spoil una name for side chick who go work since morning. For example, if you say you wan fuck 5 to 6 when you close for work dey come as you no go fit fuck. Huh? No woman is a side chick. No woman is a side. All women are women. Women are all human. No one be side chick. No one be no. Because when you call them a side chick, but it will be a pity when that side chick become your husband's housewife. Sometimes. Again, yes, I chick. If case is not video, take out the boy, we're not TV row while here with my side wife. Odogu. We should stop molesting women on social media. Let's say the truth. You women should join your hand, tackle the men who are deceiving you. Inside nonsense, you pick sense. I know say wetin I dey talk no make brain, but inside nonsense, una pick sense. Tackle the man who is deceiving you. Not the woman that just stay on his own. Then your husband will go there to deceive her. Then you say you want to go follow and fight. God will not forgive you. Anokwoni awa gbuo miemi u. Anokwoni awa we gbuwe. Owa gbuwe ye gbino he. Owa gbuwe ye nothing. Yes, it will just beat you over to nonsense. It will beat you for nothing. It will beat you. Owa gbuwe. Without miemi u. Yes. So for that simple reason, you don't have to go and fight with the side whatever. Fight with your husband. Now your husband I come up for your house, go the fuck side chick. Abi you see any side chick wey go just come meet mama wey just sit down, you go just come meet her. You go just come sit down for your body say you must follow me o, you must come fuck me o, you must follow me go house o, I must fuck you o, I must date you o, I love you o, I like you o, you like you don marry o, I know me o, I must follow you o. You go just dey cry for your head, I go follow you o. Who does that? If not your husband that went there to deceive her. After your husband don fall your hand finish go for am, then you come go dey follow am dey fight. For example, you wan go dey fight am. No. As for me, I can't fight my fellow man because of woman. No. Who does that? Odogun Akataka. I'm a big boy now. Igo majime okaka. Bet you have mudia uwe bu ya vien wo pe amudia kuwe. Nu wa give social media na. Me na mudia kuwe wa we on agbera 20 feet. On agbera 30 feet. Me na mudia kewe. My we na gba mudia. We are we yes. A 30 feet na hin. Sometimes we need to be saying the truth. Says the truth and let us subscribe for you. Not come tell us a lie. More we can't subscribe for your lie. Say the truth. Then the truth has set you free. Wetin me know say na chick, they say small thing I be chick. If your husband get lady friend for outside, they go call am chick. You go say na side chick. Which one come be chick for inside now? If you carry small one, na chick. Now if you carry big one, na chick. Eya inside, side. Ah, how side na hu ya? Ewo one na hu ya. So nobody is a side chick. No woman is a side chick. No. So my dear, if you want to fight because your husband is cheating, don't fight with the woman your husband is cheating with. Fight with your husband who is cheating. Fight him. Do I think gwegbina. Do I think gwegbina wagbeloa? No problem. Oma kamarokpa. Anyway, ya egwe gene na we ya deceive wa. No way ya go ni gbina. No. You will surprise on a very good day you went to go and fight a side chick. No, but a side chick, no, you are going. That side chick will become a housewife. Again, no, do I wife chick? Housewife chick. Again, a side chick. Why, man, why? Why I go on social media, so why, man, why? Mona get brain, mona get sense. Mona, yeah. I know many people hate me because I say the truth. I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care. But I must tell you the truth. If you want to fight anybody in that situation, fight your husband. Because your husband, he went to fall your hand in the presence of that woman, and he went to deceive that woman. I don't see man. Now my house here for happen. The boy follow some girls where they follow me the arts. He follow and come. He come dey toast one of them for inside. As they toast them, when the gather comot for here, they go enter Puma for front of my house here. As they enter Puma, this boy wife wey just born 2 pikin for am just dey inside the Puma. The boy pretend as if he no know him wife. Him wife dey greet am, he throway her. Who I'm talking about now? This boy I'm talking about now, he and his wife na the same house dem dey. His wife go buy something for Africa market, abi Africa whatever. It's in error. When a girl need to a boy and I say boy na makwani, ona ye mujake that sashiki ni, because sashiki watinya. Ona pretend we are switching him out. The girl na wa pin down na wa gay. You know say no na gay where on ko no do dey your wa be na problem iro. O wa bun e dey. No problem. It makes sense. And when you make sense. After I get to him again, I can maybe know what to anyway work a day, my lovely wife. A show warrior. Maybe ya warrior kabakulu. After na dog go use na ma talk nonsense, talk rubbish finish. Tale tata to tale no ma keke no kwa talo ne. We tale zuo fo ne. Obokun gwa wo ya gu wa gbina. E ba no we na we do mi so ga we resef yen do yen we do money ni sa chicken, ni sa ni ati sha chicken na. Yen we do ri ahun wa bo ni no obokun ya wo gba. Na mana. Mana ya. I never touch am, I never fuck am. She just want me, I just fuck am. Oh wa oni wa hu e. And already ya hu e re na o. Or you already who are they don't already go for combo. You can't say, no, you just want me, I just for combo. I don't know what they worry this girl. You go, you use body, they find me. You just want me, I for combo. I don't know what he see you. I don't know. You come by they tell your wife like that, and you enjoy your who are and you don't already go for come. So, my dear, if you want to fight, you fight with your husband who go and look for another side chick if you can fight with him. If you can't fight with him, Belua, no problem. Yes. Belua. Imagine. Hurry, I can go very guy. It's why worrying at social media as well social media. I do atalive, I get talo. I do atalive no magba, do atalive no make nata. Do atalive in a boo who ye, area boo who na wagi, area when you were who you better, area when you love your king, a social media. All you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Only what damn you. Boyagli Arulela, yeah, subscribe in a pa, yeah, subscribe in a number. I don't fucking care. Wa boss wa abezu ni mama see my blood brother, God will vote. I agree to the one egbahi. Social media wa muhe now. Or wa muhe nekere. Or muhe. Or etega denu wa social media. Wa azu wa social media wa na ogbe tu wa uwa re nu wa tegbe mu wa tenwe mu. Wa mage tu wa zuo ni. Is what you beg you one by one with social media. You people are thinking you are raining. Was war, was war. Wa kiokio, wa mego, wa kiokio. Ọrịa kiri ọkọkọ veri ori gan. Wa be yem wa me social media na. Ọgwọ na wakpa. Ọgwọ we go tete ga na ga bi no sunu. Wa boy papa na. Eru tete na ga bi wona. Eru tete na ga bi we nokpa. Eru tete na ga bi we nokpa. Eru tete na ga bi we nokpa. Dori we mi o ma we mi o ka wa re din a. O ka wa ni gwan social media. Aya gi wa hu. Awa wa e. O wa masa nenu tete na ga bi. Nenu tete na ga bi ni wa maso e wa ni zuo social media we bo we din a. Wa maso ya. Is an educated man, no matter how it is. He's an educated man. I'm not there educated, you know. But when he's worried, and he was my educated, one number one, yes, or one he. No matter we've not really sunu. And I do as well, even social media. Hey, we are not too much go. You want more Latin? Oh, you want more Latin? Or more Latin? Oh, we are suspended. Oh, you are suspended. Do you get suspended or can wear? It's suspended or when no? No, what do as well even social media? Oh, one mass or here. And they've not said enough like what. And what bunu you were those state and what mulata with social media and what can you with social media? In your mass of 100%. Iya mass or what? Iya upgrade this or what? Iya so what? Ba social media nokba batie baba batie boy again boni o Sandra tete nega bi no nokpa no eri nokpa wona o na aru okpa bedu aguzu o be don ni onati bedu mu Don Cliff ladian iwe rie Don Cliff iwe wona eri Don Cliff iwe nokpa wa azu o social media wa agogo yo anima nugwa zuo nugwa zuo ba memo eni ya maso wa ave ne huwe mu wa ya fefefe wa ni mari okpa yin bo wa ya zuo wa mo reputation wa gboto ne ege iro nu wa clear dia wa ya lawa dia wa bozwa anyway wunu wa mamu me enwuna no mu me don't come out on social media and lie again wa re de gbe to give social media wa re ibu eze ku eze no magba wa re ibu eze dan bad this in wa bu ni wa re ibu emu dan wa hin in fact wa re de ibu eze ro pa social media at all. If my viewers, if anybody take your matter to anybody on social media and they mistakenly they call you say somebody like this bring your matter to me on social media, you will start you start explaining to that person. Ira heminini ya ize yogun tu ya yoze yogun gbowe. Ina heminini. Once umamia we any presenter what ye we oma very na mwe matter were o owu mu yen so this and this owu mi on dey so this and this owa mu enwere we ye me we so my dear oma ni awa ye mistake wa call we mu wa gbugbe yo hun wa gu owo what ogunu we atie na we make sure we phone ni no ya we social media no dey hu table no mu eyi phone no ya we social media ni yen na ti we anywhere life wa je na o wa mu we wa bu mi ade na so we ni kama o we ge no ya de ge no de so denu we he sebo wo ka wa ti ogun ni ra mi je lare ogun ogbo a yi no wa we na ogwo din we onu na wa ilala onu wa we na ogwe nogi ogun hin agbera agbijuwe we nu we ya ti ogun ni yan gege fi fun ogege fi fun ni wa mo yan ruda yan mo pichu wa la diado mo pichu wa ye for social media we eri ona we na ba we me wa je na atikuti e me wa kin ugia mufua me wa ugia mufua atiquity where do come me we am pishi me la de social media we ke me pishi me la de make to be me mo la de ane make to be me mo pishi me la de ege ni mi agun me ni meta. Anybody bring your matter out on social media. Iyan na why you mistake he call you we lare oh wo right oh wo wrong go anyhow ogun ukawati ogun ni lare ogun ogbo ya oh wa we no ge no award yan we egwa donwa ni aladokun ni so bo we ogun ogbo ya ukawamu ogun mu gbe ni get the phone your pin down yes erere we gelero wa no we ya ti ogun niyan ni ebe go kan wa get mo picture well on Facebook in oswo or do mo la on social YouTube or mawu ime ehe arun ope mu anyway me ti eme ni ewo ma eni ama wete akia mu me gioma arun ba hen ti la di and ban we bo na we frustrate yen ne arun ba hen ti la di we bo na we ri yen go owo ba hen ti la di we bo na we ri eri gbin yen zabaku owo ba ti la di we bo na we o. So that is it. Am I wait oyan mu email address social media diyan ri mu email address social media ogun ni me ya gwo yan ya fefefe na yan mu email address yan mu email address yan mu picture me YouTube go ida won ogun yi mo bo be rian na ai mu email address we je so won ogun re ba ogun na ni ami ni agebe makoko tu ewu hu wa na gbon awa tafu wo wa na agebe na ni agebe na awe wo wa na zuo yi be we bo ma yan agwo wa we ro baba mo picture me la dia ro pe wa ti me ugo alpha me matter we yen wa mo egun me omo ni no call me ni the first thing o ka ho na ogun ogbo ya ogun ogbera agbiju ya maybe we die no yan so do mo picture me la dia dugo iyan surprise ika ya du je mu wa okay we ni fo o me any of my fans no en je so wa no en rise so wa no en ti en wo wa odu omo mi wa adun yan mo popa wa miamia wa ezodo wa ga de kuyodo wa gi matemo vi wa gi ma de ku ni o wa ya salo e ma ta gi wa ta eri oni lati ameto ogwe wa gun me gboru o ahwe mo fi face la wa o mo fi face la wa na o ibi e wo na wa de gbewe la video ti yan wa get arrested yan wa we no pa yan wa ziyan ye kan wa gun me gogo ma gige ogire 2 days of it mo fi face la dia ode gbe han yo we no ka han yo the most mo fi face pose for oye gun abi social media oye teme no yita omo nu we ni magugwe gogo we gbe makwela wa ni ogun go kill all of una o wa agbo wa ogun ogbelu wa ya fefefe kekene ni mo fi face ke ya fefo ogun hin agbelu wa ebi kere egwa sunu ve social ve Facebook ebi no ma sunu ve Nigeria awi bi Nigeria no ebi no ma de sunu ve Nigeria no wa sunu ve one of Africa country awi bi Nigeria no iyan do ya edit ne mi ve computer iyan do read the video ni iyan do giagie ekeno ne no ma de important ivo ekeni a oni ariewo ni oni ariewo iyan ko do giagie do giagie iyan ko do rie kiri iyan do rie yen do mwela diam on Facebook and the Facebook yen am yo but yen download the yen do get kiri then yen do ya la diam as a program. Why can't you come out of your program? Let me dey talk am majority of all presenters now that is on YouTube now they are using my program a program in Yagilo. Yes Ogmemi Azua then I come out and fight for them. When they say that I really fight for them, well, yes, he may upgrade where we have a webo. ihwewi ma magbe ihwewi ma wake na wari ogona yo ta be na we ihwewi ma ke na ri ogona yo be tie boni ihwewi ma wo be la dia wa hwe he make you a mad presenter. He make you a mad presenter. Uwa salo adene wurowa. Doma we no wa nwa. Owa the man wa ya ke to wa no cow. I take you one no cow. Wa gwo ke gbogbo we social media. Aba gikpa ve tu nu. Aba dede. E dede we ti o mani se na obiele ma. Yan ke ni izu of the social media. Greetings, my lovely Katia. Aga ori akiri okoko beri ori gan. Wa ye nwa we mi. Dagwa o hama ga gugwa gun. Wa to bu wa ye nwa we. Ami ma no ha ga gugun. Mi wa face to face yo gugu, iye yo gugbu e. Imanati bu instantly ni vie bo bu eva. Isa 50 40 na my own. Isa 50 40 na my own. Ya vie bo gbu e. Very important. Uwa azaga, uwa agwo uwa. Ave ne huemu. Mane gywa ni ro. Manana me piaka ne gege mariogo ne bima. We are respecting ourselves on this social media. We are respecting ourselves. Wanike wazuo, you come out on social media where you are told. Where you are editing nonsense in it. Look at our Africa guests. See what our Africa guests they do for Europe. What our Africa guests they do not good. What our Africa guests they do not good for Europe. Look at what they can behavior where they behave. La rovio hana. Ima gwa vive. Salobo ame la vive wagume. O wagume gmina mande here. O bahuvo. Who we have to be with social media mona. He ala agwale mekien we ona vitu agwalu wekien go and look cartoon la father la daughter o gbe akeke na onyin benu gwanyina mi ave tamu we odogun meneruwe odogun megwe o sa lo bo ameka onye be yen gbi megwe gbe ona lo lawon rure yeah, one way nene. Yeah, teacher not to mwelatia. So look at Benin people. Look at Nigerians on social media. Now so una take do. Una come fall our hand. Una fall una self. Una call the teacher maybe in our hand if una fall. Different wrong information. We nene coronavirus in here go very. Our la Nigeria and better matter those state. He may surprise him as una those who have social media war those state. What will like those state in? Nu wa bolo zuwa oge wa gba wa nu gba ya ta lo oge be social media e ma ta ma ki wa ta the money latia na so this guy he can na side chick he can't go the man wife can't catch the girl he can't go the fight am na so he supposed to just pour acid for the girl body. Who tell you? Is that the truth? If we say more judge the matter, is that truth? That one na truth. Na typical lie. Typical lie. Typical lie. There is nothing like truth there. You don't know how to judge matters. Una where they judge matter for social media, you judge matter of killing. Una they judge matter where two people go fit kill themselves. Una fit judge matter 2 family or 4 family go fight themselves, they will kill themselves. They will kill each other. Una go fit judge matter wey be say wife go see husband for house, he go kill am. Or husband go see wife for house, he go kill am. Una dey mad. Why go aboyin? Now they say that the girl get fault. You are not there when the something happen, and you come out on social media to say the girl have fault. You are not there when the man starts dating the girl. You are not there when the girl and the man have conversation. You are not there when the man starts sleeping with the girl. Then you can't come out for social media. You can't begin to talk with you are not see. Wait till you want also. They can't say, they say. They can't talk say, Katia can't talk say, Imose say, Vlina can't talk and say, Sonia can't say, Katia can't talk say, Park Daniel can't talk and say, Mavis or Khalifa can't say, he can't talk and say, Morovie can't talk say, he can't say, Pretty Frederica can't talk say, na say he can't talk say, Crystal Bell can't say, Chris Bell can't say, na can't talk and say, Joseph Yegareva na can't talk and like that, can't talk and say, he can't talk say, John Security na talk say, he can't talk say. He say. Which one you say? Which one your eyes reach for inside? Your eye must reach one before you come out on social media. Not be he say. They say. He can't talk say, can't hear say. O wa zaga, o wa bozwala. La rewe tota pida. Ma agbu na wo we. Pina hwen na agu wegwa. Do of your dogun here, my go. Come on, go sit down. I want to go sit down. Go bring that phone call for me. Go bring that phone. Get say, I will son ya to talk way. When we be working that dinner, when we that dinner, we were pinned down, we are cool. Good girl. Alice good? He can't talk say Dada Masses can't say. He can't talk say Dada Masses say. Frederica can't say. He can't say. Imose talk and say. He can't talk say. He can't say. Which one you can't say? Now the one where they say. Now you hear. You know we not can't hear the one where you say. I will not hear the one where your eye reach for inside. He say. Then you can't come out for social media. They talk. They tell say na so the girl they can't say the girl was the man wife can't go catch the girl for supermarket where for buy something. The girl wife can't now say if that is really real, for example, if it is really real, that's something real for example. The woman cannot go and fight the girl. He did not have right. When they come join the girl, they join the woman, say, hey, it's very right. You need to beat that girl. That girl is a devil. That girl is this one. The girl is not a devil. The girl is nothing. I wish your husband did not deceive her. If your husband did not deceive her, she will not date your husband when she knows he has a wife at home. There are many men who deny their wife when they are talking to side chick. When they are approaching a chick, they will turn you as a housewife to a rag in the presence of their side chick so that they will get what they are looking for. They will deny you in the presence of their side chick. They say the both of you are not with each other again. They will deny you. They will deny you. In denial. After I deceiving yana, why ya gunya gbina, why you be gunya gbina neveriana, why you be lieke ya inia, or ya pete, or you be ya deceive. Even we are not me, it is very kind. If you don't use your sense on it, it is a pity when a side chick become a house chick. When a side chick will become a housewife. Enwa aya gbofenoraki. Enwa aya wemi. If you want to fight anybody, fight your husband who caused the calamity. Do I think Belua? Belua, oh yeah, very tiny prison. Now you go very tiny, not too long. Tiny. It long go, but it tiny, not fat. And now you go. You just go that tiny prison, you come out. You just say, if you come marry another man, I not give you hope, not go kill him. Now you know, if you not try, you are on your own. Hey, not try nonsense. Equal now. David Ariu is in Bosesebo. Leave everything for God. God, I leave everything for your hand. Simple. Are you Ajumodia? Obunad. Are you Ajumodia? Obunad. So, my dear, I owe or ya deceiving ya. If you had man make baby ya leluwa. Me don't see person where just say, I will never follow a man that has a wife at home. I will never follow a man that have a wife at home. I cannot try it too. But a man will get wife for house. Now you can't follow at last. You don't know. That one deceive him. If you are ready to marry how many wives you want to marry, come and meet your first wife at home. Tell your first wife, see what is going on, look at what is going on. Let her know. He not go kill you. Tell her the truth. That makes you a man. Tell her the truth. Marry this woman. I want to marry and join you. Simple. It's better than your chukia. They follow you, they deceive all our women. They go, you don't let them go meet their future husband. Your wife go still come follow them fight. Who does that? Who does that? Argue why? Argue one? Who send on a message? Oh yeah, go bring one beer cup. Go bring beer cup for me for them. Go bring beer. Go bring beer. Iwa wa fio to yam room apalo ne. Why when we allow water? At least if I ever see you, at least others understand. I work maybe I ever see you. I will less than maybe I will reduce it by here. Go. Why won't allow water? Why will allow water? Also, I know if you walk fancy. Unado. Mogwa look one of your. Me and any. Why I have allow water. Well, understand him, eh? It takes the grace of God. When you see that kind of something happen, you pray for God. God, take control. And God will really take control. And where you are going to get Gmina, I will when we are good Gmina, we might go Gmina, where you are well, what we are better, where both the get where you are going to get Gmina, and again in our what do deceive? Our what you are deceive, right? And they deny. They can deny. They deny who? Area ya deny. No look me, oh. I not be your husband. No, me be your papa. Understand? Go. Atuna they feel me. These are the reason why I am telling you people. When you are approaching a woman, say the truth. Say the truth. Call your wife, tell your wife, say, hey, honey, this babe like this, I like him. I want me to follow me, I follow him up. Me day. All of us there together. I like him, I love him. Perere your wife. Lie to your wife to get that girl. It's better than you lie to the girl to get her. You lie for your wife. Say, I beg. CICB, CIB. I want this girl. Hey. Na me where ya lie man any girl. Where I told you, who lie ne, where ya fefe. Even we are not doing so what Gwekovia. Yeah, Gwekovia ne. Odo kama we are no, I no go remove them. Again, you do ayori. That time, side chick, don't they turn to ask wife? Nah, small. You know, say now good money take turn to half hour. Small, now pardon mo take turn to palavezi. Now palavezi come turn to pardon mo. See body. Nah, half hour come turn to a hello. So small. Now so that side chick you can't turn to side wife. You go be like film for your eye. We fight over nothing. We don't supposed to fight for something. I can't fight because of woman. No. Me wa de we wa me woman me. Oh, yeah, God, Mama, I give thanks to God Almighty. But a boundary me, if you make better boundary me, awawa. If you make better boundary me, I give God the glory. I give God Almighty the praise. Mama, we no say when me anje no. If I call your boy wa vivi me ya, if you're like wife you're go ba ya, we ya do work no problem. That's all. I be come ya be gbin na yo. So, why am I trying to insinuate this kind of issue where when something like that on call, you don't have to fight? No, fight. Don't fight. And no woman is a side chick. All women are all the same. As soon as that woman is human, they are all the same. No side chick. Because the one you call side chick, if she later become married chick to your husband, is a taboo. A taboo no who I know. So for that simple reason, nobody is a side chick. Nobody is a side chick. So I never saw so I just social media na do atalo with social media. Na do akio with social media. Na do amiri eri no eri nokba ma we nokba. Omo ogokba ni ave tabege ni. Ebo na ni anti offense. No ate dramedo. Iyana we simo jingo. No na me work where ye gbe 13 years iwe webo. He spent 30 years for Europe. They chop him money. His sister using money to do. His sister chop him money. Say he want kill his sister. Could you believe say our top representative that woman? Akpa we talk about son of make be bania. He when this one measure any ya fefe. He only while at the social media and influence him me. He got 13 years of work be we bo na me influence magia we bo. O magia we bo there. Ewe bo no flensi wajo na ne start dok pa ina na munya be ne ne bo ni ajo be don na be ya fa gbo abodo be ne bo ni ajo wodo ofo no flensi na je webu tele ga de o flensi ma je webu e film no flensi you ado gaga la dia na do mo e social media. I was surprised what work be 30 years be webu efi mi no wa ura no e presenter na gwa boyo papa na ya muela dene o flensi meme o ogbe 30 years we bo mu go ne otion ma mi go mula diane o otion o this boy the for not doing like that o flensi na wa ki obodo na wa ona gwa agiyan. So via your na mi ka yan ni re Nigeria bodo yan ki obodo agezu wa webu we na wati wakpa ware ya azuo we bona iya wa ko ki obore ya gezuo wuwa ruda to wa yezuo wa mari to wazuo then o go be aro no be va wa ni abeta ve ono na ya david na iya gwe e boy no ya mwe re yo ya mwebo yo ya mwebo no mwe coronavirus ya die do state ene boy ni ya be mwela dia social media we boy no ya mwebo ni re ige e boy ni mwebo ri na ebo na do mwe coronavirus na do mula do state imeri kolom ame do state coronavirus o se do state ni a we ma se do state betian hemo ene we ya woreko ya worry de he ige ne boy ogba amwe ne pori ana we do mo di boy la dia na even na hia be social media we boni arieba e boni we ma fi moto ye ma stay ye ma understand ye ma idea of ni atana Ewa ni eso na ve dozu ovege ni. Iya na we 2020 o ma very na ala dia social media na gbonu yota. Iya ala dia president governor of Edo State 2020 do say ima iye ka poster we boy as one government poster a poster na nia we vote for so person like this. O maladia o. Amamion. Iya toori. Oni na vela dia vedo eri yen huwe Gladys ne eri emi huwe Gladys iya toori. Ane no le no veri eri mebo veni ya toori ni eri oge ni ya vegbian iya talori dene iya rivese waga esadi mawo Edo State vodoni iya do mwe picture kpaladian iya make na bere ohun egolaya ekinegbe golaya ya bere kina bere eji anado mwe picture la de picture na mula de kini vie Chinese na we documentary na renovate wa anado avola we skeleton ladian awawa me giant skeleton ni ve Chinese ni ohun egolaya no Chinese na se gbe golaya wa. Everything about you people on this social media are all fake. Everything about you people are all fake. Even our pastors, when the pastors evaluate, all of them are fake here. Social media presenters are fake here. Wayari, wa boss wa ya ho wa ba ogenata wa ta loge ne YouTube wa ya amwe wa boss wa megwa to oge meba to oge emi megwa noke manwe. You people are mad people. Mona go dey talk truth. Any of my fans, I still dey repeat am. Any of my fans wey dey carry matter come meet una, I see a picture for una platform. Yeah, you say you gumbo and you by yourself go tell them for YouTube and say, abeg I wan remove this video. Yeah, say you gumbo. And the name of a social media nore egbe medegbe okimani viedo. Amadegbe gegbe okimani viedo. Or the name of a social media re. Social media. Emi na masun de ari on the social media. Me mama no give one na be wrong information and na give information. I can do have information give and go on social media we webo. If you do wage betray the gbowa, you people should stop this nonsense. Emi no sunu we do a code do send the game and re webo ni ya ala dia social media. Ige social media ori me mo ni go ni ya pay no wa na vie ne na ve wa na investigator abi va tin yan ami ani ni ya reporter mo ami ya reporter mama e police very ni mi atin yan all those people wait mo be mo na remember me wetin they call those people wey they go dey follow person back go dey report to police that time go dey me yata informa informa ni me mama no worry no the leak no why I don't know who's giving you people the leak. Informa si ya work bo to the extent of having social media presenters na do have informa no information giyan kedo giyan gbeluwa Bwana wave no sunu vedo. Nugwade gbe afio e as informati. Giave ma social media ni ado ya talo. Ni ado ya mu ma ni do. Na ya do ari uji ma ne do wa ogun kin agbeluwa. Oni number 1. Number 2 no ro. E gesi man waria eni wa we webo. E gesi ma ri uho. Iya ma uho. Iya ri useu. Iya ma useu. Una degbe ladian risuna se gesi mani ovie Nigeria rino. Una ladian on social media. Una degbe do mwegboto. Una yemwe ladian. Kugwe komani. No really information nweni. Ogun kin agbelu waya la woto. Uwa wa denevoro wa. Abe money ene gbe ni suwa We need the truth. Mona dey come out for this social media. Mona dey talk truth. E social media wa muhe ni wa vun o muhe e sagara de wa ro vie gbuwa. Hi. Awe mani ma keke ni tie boy yan tie boy for what now?
It's big. I need for new married.
About which size?
We understand. Awe mani ma keke no tie boy no ma ya kin no tie boy no ma. Okay, review kan pa no la dian vedonia. A young presenter no very small girl no be tie boy go bike. Imagine. Awe bodan tenveri ya mose. Oh, remo. Deti lake bonia. No was of wood or any ati one. Ati we na kodo to take mema. Masi malake bu. Malake bu. Malake bu. So as we are saying. Ekati arriva. Owo kan na gwa gwegun o. Ogwa vie beva, ebo. We are wa boni. They you distractive nini. Okay, bye.
Remember to send down.
Imagine Jessica. Owo kan me wa vie beva. Ebo. Ona gba do vie la palo mi. Ona fiyan gbe la mi, bi ari kepiyan. Ona de gbe fiyan re. Imagine. Gbagwegun ni edodu ziga. So as we are coming talking. As we are coming saying, as we are committing, join mona take and wanna test you. I can of you can carry one small girl, but very small thing. Otherwise, we like social media, otherwise, we like social media now. Very small thing. Ona ati ebo no pa ika ovi okakere. Ona ati ebo ni omo no se no bije igbava. On in the name of a social media no re. Wa lu enwa ebo na mi wa ga meeting. Wa gi ma respect egbimo wa ye topic of it or wa le topic ya aladian wa la wo. Imagine a small girl, very small girl. Ona vi la jona ti ebone di movie small girl. Bona de di movie ga no man. Ovi o kakere. Ibie ka gie. Yen iwa fun sound la den social. Yen iwa la den social media. O mani go adoro we no say yan be social media. Ibie ka tun. Wa ga meeting. We have to maintain. Wa ga respect igbima. What is the meaning of all this? How can we continue like this? When the name of social media be kagiri waro ye dadoma. Ayo ga ge didok pa no wa biladian no de nani. No de ma I was one be I wash na we other wa biladiana. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Na bibi mama nene. Moku na subscribe o. Ni wa do tamu wa na vie do me. Monica Wojarea. Di mofi wezua. Nokba no. They no worry well lolo. Wuwa do na yi. Wuwa ona. Any guy retaliate banya, ibeka gegian son arovie we. O wa get social media na ori ria. Maga iwe na very na ma bia ba son ado ayukpokpogbi ma beri ove. O wa wet ori ria. If you want to make name, go and create something to do. Go and create create a good thing. Go and create whatever you want to create to make names. Go and look for something to do. If you want to come out on social media with your own program, not a program that other people have already did. Come out on your own program. Create a program for yourself. Say, wait till I'll take come out now. Me, I use this thing come out. Me, I use also thing like this come out. Follow up. It will be better for you. It's better that you come out on social media, you start saying what people have said before, you start talking what people have talked before, you start doing what people have done before, you start doing what people have done before, you start doing what people have done before. Eru aya din lavun. Eru aya din gboe. Isaac gboe. Because this social media of a thing have lead many people to trouble. Have pushed many people to trouble. All this craze, one of the craze. So if you not rich as now, yeah, why? Muna not worry. Make out of one. I don't want to go down. No, but I can't hear me. As what panika we hula wa we getting no way brafa yin that small girl ni no pa kan we one side. Oh, I want to gbe ve ladiana. My wash no ya de gbe ladiana. Ya de gbe yogun gu ore la wa so ogun ni meka ti ma gbe. Oh God, so me ni ogun ni meka ti fake ni hin. Here get the way me pe to target picture make do gine. A picture I wear the girl get your area ni me ari ogo gbalegbe. Area gi me mogun la dem na yogun threatening the social media. Me na mogun la dina ati ogun or whatever. Here na do me picture me bagere ni. This village people na wa commentate yo pin when wa even on it alo what alo yo pa. Ona ewe. Me oga run opa ya la din of social media no wa do tie table talk. Imami no tie. I can imagine one in the social media or in the name of whatever Brafa, those state of power state in Orevonia. Where me woven Wayagie, where me woven Wayan 4 level on your hand, where me woven Wakawe, Evonio, Nuwayo, Evoni falling hand in a Brafa, those state in Waya falling hand in a Brafa. Wakiaka Wagima. Those state. Ini mama so was is one e don say ti wa kin ka gbe ma e bo be reva na wona gele fia e bo no hia e brafa bo no brafa hia reva wa temi wa ye ni so e don say wa ya so because work pan na water lat na already Genova e Genova Vitaly e this girl je imam bo ni ne girl we do total wa no o we brafa yin ogun hin agbo era visual if at ogun hin agbera agbijuwe do wa be mulajo na wa be fall live do bo fall my hand fall egwa hand fiukpe gegwa egwa manedo on the name of iwazu of social media ogun hin agbeluwa social media agbeleruwa agbelijuwa o wa ya fefefe venu wa mana ruwa wa be social media na wa mana ba oge na tavo ogun hin agbelu wa leva be seva. All of you all shall face nemesis and all of you all will you will all see the repercussion. Wow. Ano be di me wa warokpa no mero wa ya bozua of na the mad. Wa ayi yo gwagmo yo gwemi wa ya temata uga mweme kiani agu wesetu emeno uga mweme kinya gwege no ma we la wagumesi sana emeno me miawa no mwe mata gi representer ne we la wagumesi sana anado miewe no mwe mata gi ma we no si osa gi ga si osa Mona go dey use sense. If una not get sense, mona go borrow sense. You get what they don't sell sense for supermarket. In a supermarket, mona go dey buy. Magan be 10 or 50 cents, 10 or 50 cents. Then they sell am per kilo. Mona go dey buy sense. Mona buy sense. Mona put for head. Mona dey mad. Wazuo. I want to give water. I to come social media come dey disgwagwa our guests. Do amune guest ma gboto do aria name guest ma wa. Ogun kin agbeluwa. Emi kine gbe guest ma magi wa na ewe. Na the mad. I fit tell una, if anybody carry una matter come for me as a man, he carry your matter come for me. Any girl carry your matter come for me, say see what you do. Get am for me, I'll fall your hand. wa bolos wa ave ne huemu ge ni ana oge won ge opaweri oni iya deceive the girl ne the boy deceive the girl na bie ne the boy o bie ne ovi ogive ama be kuna the boy abandon the girl ona ya lile ozuowe ona ya lile bezu ozuowe one side ona abandon the girl ni wa dola on social media. Europe girls not good oh. Now your mama, your papa not good. Wa boss wa. Na the mad. Avo wo na work with social media. Me wa get the dog power with ladian. No then I was one me the nene the ladian. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mo me hwanuva. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Me no mama nene mi. Na me be mama this one. Subscribe. When I subscribe to my YouTube channel, I get to never even. With you, I can't tell them, and you got the time while we the movie, but not that. The Caricana was there with the area. Tell us the idea. De no se no bijime ni me agati eje no kwa me ma change me no kwa ti on yourself de imagine at the social media that so de la than hu do aso that the first that money them I can't tell nothing no be that me love do. No we get e bona ni guys wan challenge we ba when is wan tie bo nu wewu do me for ne when me ya mi ya fo iya ya fefe with social media ni ma irovie ya fefe ne mini imie ya fo ne fe teluna I no get the respect for this social media. I no go be my friend, I no go be friend, and I no go the respect now person. Nene one person is if you give away social media na. Amani give away social media. A presenter, be presenter, me na be presenter je Nigeria rifi wuweku. Ona ko 2020 naira mo, but 2020 naira na fi into 500 naira. Ona fi 2020 naira na fi wuweku. 2020 naira. Ona gbele 2020 naira. And women foundation. Work going. Aisha, how are you? What gakin wa mi nu? Na ya gbele 2020 naira. So, no one if you agbon, one if you domain na egwe. Nothing. Ni azuo. Only one. Now the respect for inside. For now, not even with social media self in one for now you pin down. Or say I know one was war. Or say I know one was war with social media. At least what is it? You are alone work me so. While you are them I can have supermarket 10 or 50 cents. I can they sell for leader or netto. No, DM the seller. Okay, DM obunse yan wa measure every DM. They measure brain for DM. They measure sense. They measure sense for DM. They measure and they measure that 10 or 50 cents too. If they give you many well. Have netto, have hyper copy, have inamubo rien gbe. DM on wa o. Yan wa measure enu epe wa vun. Do wolo ihun ere we ni. Oh, your day memory card no fit you need formatting. No formatting really when caro. Very soon they'll come begin to turn on and bring up and down. They'll carry your leg, carry and go up, carry your brain come down. Your brain go to come, you go to throw away. After I don't throw away, finish your fill another one put. How do I feel a brain when I feel a fuel? When I feel a tank. No, yeah. O wa bolozwa. Ave zuo ni mama. Una de mad. Who get 50 years may measure my name. No give me a yafi and humu. Na de Chris. Agbira agbijuwa. Agbiru agbijuwa. Wa bozwa. Mona go the third truth. Magwale keni mana hule ni mahulo la wa. Ave ne giwan ave oriwa rena. Very small thing. Oh yeah, 20. Hello, my viewers. Please subscribe to Nenevi Glory Fraternity. Glory YouTube. So that's on Nenevi Success YouTube. Oko. Yeah, 20. That's what the job be. Hey, my people. I just want to use the opportunity to tell you that Monica fuck up. No. Ladia, edede no hua. Edede mekamu wena. Ijoma. Oh, Ladia. Hello. Edede wa trivia. Ile tanza vete. This woman destiny are supposed to be selling kemi in a Kiosa market with Tejoshon. I don't read their destiny just now. One, Eddie Murphy supposed to be a native doctor in Nigeria. Now a future be that. When Murphy first go they do a wase, they follow on. Now a future be that. Me I hear they read what they supposed to be for future. Not be what they be for future. Where they come run, come Europe. If you're supposed to do 300 level for university, for Uniben there, you go there. Monica supposed to say Ikpo for from Mobi for Tejoshun. Lolo go they sell for small fowl for street. You understand? Enogie is supposed to they produce our music. Go they produce music. He's supposed to be one of the House of Assembly representative. And an amigo supposed to they say about they follow different village they go. No, one of this community chairman. He go to Afune Kugwale, but the other Adela Balili Daddy Guya. A future here anything. Any another disturb him on the webona. Any another disturb him on the webo. Vabe tiege na no re nene bu bebe vani ge wati eji. That one now supposed to just dey, he's supposed to take community village they do secretary. You know here webu. Lovely Narani. Lovely supposed to go and marry native daughter. Native daughter will get my native daughter. Native daughter will get the wife. Lovely will become the fourth wife. That is her future. One understanding, man. Let their future be that. May they read their future, follow them one by one. Gladys Amadi Constantino supposed to operate room for Tejoshun. You go to selfish, you go tie from for that big belly. Now their future be that. Like this boy now Dada Masses, me and Dada Masses now, our future now, we want to be the next governor of Edo State. Now me go win, now he go be my vice. Now he go be my deputy. Now me go be the governor. Me and Dada Masses now, we are supposed to, not be who supposed to, we are going to be a governor of Edo State. I will be the governor. He will be my vice. He go to follow me. You understand? For me, I will become the governor of Edo State. Dada Masisi will be my vice deputy. He go to follow me. Not because Dada Masisi will come be governor. Me will come to follow Dada Masisi. I won't come to share the money. May not try am. I go be the governor. Dada Masisi go to follow me as a vice, as a deputy. Not be me where be say Dada. No, my future is to be the governor. Dada Masisi is the one supposed to follow me as a vice deputy governor. Not be the one that Dada Masisi will come be governor, me will come be deputy. That is not my dream. I no agree. I go change that dream. I go change the dream. If we want to share money, I want to share. Dada Masisi carry our money, go inside now. I don't go see the one we are going share. So me go hold the money for my side. Dada Masisi go I can't cut for her, he go carry go inside. Now good pass, he go carry go inside, go cut and give me. I not agree. I no agree. So now, as we are coming talking, now my dream now be that. So all those people dream. Now I still measure just now. They get dream. The movie supposed to be a native doctor. Why Mofi Face go they do Idibia? What it be Ewase? Person where they follow native doctor back, native doctor servant. You go to stay back of the Mofi. You understand? Like this man we go to spray 2020 naira for Nigeria that day. That one now. That was supposed to be a kidnapper. Adeboye will be a native doctor too. Adeboye now go they do gugu. For me at Dada Masisi we will take win election. Then we go carry that one we go to spray 2020 naira. We will carry that one, make that one the kidnap person we want follow us contest. All those kind one. Now they walk past. There's also when you are in Nigeria, so anywhere they should go to Nigeria near Yahiaba. You people are following our hand. Was with social media, all the people are mad people. Una the mad who are go. If I bought lawagbe. Now me talking. What you meti go? What your pameti nenu? I can have it you. Ya call you directly tie no we be na have social media. Ogun kin agbeluwa. You people should go and say the truth. Come out on social media with a good topic we want to hear. We don't want to hear your stupidity. We don't want to hear say you and this one they quarrel, you and this one they quarrel, you and this one they quarrel. Not be that one we want more we hear. Mona tell us sense. Mona tell us how not to make am. Mona tell us how we wanted to grow for this Europe. Mona tell us how we take make brain, how everything go taste you. I will tell everywhere go clear. Mona tell us better story, better news. Now one more the year for social media on a year. Not be say you and this one quarter, you and this one quarter. Now gonna zoo for social media. Is working out bill wire fair. Only tomba muvedo. Utete negia pi ya mwe o. Iya wa mu to te negia pi. Iya suspended vis. Iya suspended vegwa. That is suspend utete negia bi vegwa okanwa. Now your suspension. I concern una better risha. Who was wove we bomana keka wa mama so ewa. One is wove we bomas wo of social media wa. Even the utete negia behave uvo one no be uve do state iva. Wa ma we because ezu wa we to wa ya dole do yin wa ni rewe botu wa ya was wo wa ma na. So ezu wa ye was wo fo wa gimani bi ka ni ro wa gimahen. Ogun kin agbelu wa ya presented nonsense with social media. Mota odogu. May I leave all of una. Mona go dey talk truth. Una wake on the four woman hand now go kill una. Una the mad. Who are go. Ugo one mama. Ugo one mama. High chief odogu ogwefi. One. That small boy they call small boy for social media where they follow spirit, they snap picture. Who are. I mean when nigga nobody be Superman. Very me wajina me learn a flog. I why you flog me. So get time for mercy women no wa betu. Wa betu we cook beg me to no for wa. He may wa we one side no big bu ni wa gbu. So real waji a future go wa anything. You people have to go to Nigeria. Go and face your future. Your future you want a type robber. Wa ahin robber wa del ave robber le ligo ya ahin. That is your future. Only a brother, no a sister, a brother, no work back Benny. Eddie Murphy, only no raw. Oh bono. Oh ya azobu wa. A Murphy face ya we was a lele. A lologa Mama Lovely. Oni. Oga wukombu. Obo e mo bono kamo we hane. A Monica hikbo ko be tejoshon. A future go one he. A lolo akin abo koko ne gie abe o ka market ya. That is your future. So you people should go back to your future. Leave people that this country belong to as a future for them to rule it. For we to stay. Don't disturb us anymore. May go to say small foul. Una hear me? Oh, when you know what Ladian vedo, that one a future God me worry then and no there. I don't know what Ladian no there. That one supposed to be in a what here? Oh, what kyoba. Oh, what here kemi things by things. Oh, where kemi no working only wa besi so yekun. A Gladys akin hen we kurumu. A future go one he. You understand? When they say stay less yenia, stay less Africa bele la woliku. When only tangi, our kabokbo obito, only tank bobito, ave de basunve ya heni wakbo bito. Off Africa bele niviku. That is your future. You people should go and face future. Wa bozwa go and face your future. Wa my future go wa say no na zo we boma wa zo fo ne wa gima. So I still remember General Elebuwa Okoduwa Ugo 1 High Chief Odogu Ogwefi 1. Now maybe that Ajo Mili, that small boy for social media where they follow spirit, they snap picture. And they take self with spirit. Wa bozwa. Azwaha. Me bury me okpa when was in social media. Me bury me okpa no where you. Me bury you bokpa no where you were happy no ma. Awe ana wi yo bono ma very ana. You know dey. Me me wan where be fiana. Wa gwo. Eva bola wagbe. La social media. Agwa social media Maria Mawosa lo boakin. You are some presenter are talking on social media doesn't mean they are your God. Doesn't mean they are God. Mona not the mama then again. Mona not the pa then again. They are small children. Wagwa. Do I not comment about where a pa this person now talk to just now. This person pa this person. No ya DM. Or DM be 2 years or 3 years. When they cut him, I am 47. He win. I'm not be 42. Sorry, 72 are me. So that's the reason. I love you guys. Mona bye bye. I don't talk in one to finish. Mona go to talk through for social media. If you come out of social media, you can't talk lie. I will come out of social media, I will measure your name at this guagua you when you lie. Like that girl where they YouTube, where get body, he get big breast. He might be like boss, whether they sell for thyroid. He get na so lie the girl come the lie. They say the girl with a German first lady now they quarrel now. Now so lie, now they get the lie for social media. Wait till I know she go they talk all of them. You go they lie they give us for YouTube. AMB Dion Osagie for governor. Dion for governor. Anyhow. So far me reach hand. I go settle with Dada Masses now. I go settle Dada Masses now. Make Dada Masses step down. Move first step down for her first. For Dion, make Dion first go. Yeah, if Dion don't win mo see the person wey wan come out. If the person wey wan come out come win, I will come down say okay, we step down for governor for her. So the next campaign wey dem wan campaign, dem me and Dada Masses will come out. AMB Dion for governor. Very soon, I go still bring my own UGO for governor. Ugo one governor. Me have a nanaba what do they call it? A big campaign. I will be me agbesu to me as a governor. Well, you need to don't become governor for Edo State. So what am I? I'm a responsible bear. I'm a responsible. So in the treaty, you governor of Edo State. We were winning many me wapi down area. Me have a mina yo. I will me visit have a mavu hugme so. On a market I do go munia. Mave tuoma, mave Dada Masses, matuoma. We the pity people. We see the pity. We get pity. We will build market. I will build bridge in heaven for you people. For her, sorry. I go build international. Mona not worry. Mona leave that for me at Dada Masses. Nice small thing be that. We will repair beneath for you. Wabada.